My heart was throbbing in my chest and I felt depressed. I was not only bullied, rejected, hated by them, but also by myself. I wanted to talk to myself, my body, and my soul. And so I spoke softly. I want to be your friend. It took a long breath and replied, I have been waiting for this my whole life. I have been waiting for you to love me more than you love them. There is so much better around you than them. The rising of the sun and how those dolphins swim, the beautiful flow of life that takes you to its brim. Look at yourself in the mirror, oh honey. Your skin is marble and your hair is grass from heaven. Your shape? Oh, your shape is a beautiful sculpture acting as your weapon. You are not magic. Oh, yes, you heard me right. You are not magic because magic is only an illusion. You are more than a miracle, an unexpected blessing. So I found myself someone with arms strong enough to carry all those heavy memories, someone to carry all my negativities. For until this time, I never knew how badly I had my life screwed. Taking every step in fear and anxiety, always bothered by the society. But now my soul speaks to me. Honey, it's enough of sobbing for this grey ending because it's high time for self-defensing. Accept the cause that gone is gone and now into a new person you are reborn. Weave yourself with wit and grit, but must is plenitude the self-love that binds this lid. They did not see the beauty in you which comes in the sight of very few, your coffee colored skin and those bushy eyebrows, unusual only in the judgmental world's view. And so I replied to the beautiful, strong, and the fighter soul I had in me. I love you. I love you for accepting me with my flaws, and now I shall not pause from diving in the ocean of self love, needing no more societal applause.